Hello, my name is Mike Yard. I'm the operations manager here at Industrial Repair Service. I'd like to welcome you to our corporate offices, and I'd like to bring you inside for a tour. For over 30 years, we've been in the business of servicing industrial automation. In this inside sales room, they schedule and route drivers and sales reps across the nation to pick up your repair work. We repair items like variable frequency drives, HMIs, PLCs, temperature controllers, timers, industrial metal detectors, servo valves, and servo motors. We are currently in our servo motor department where we specialize specifically on motors that have feedback devices like encoders and resolvers. We pride ourselves on being one of the very best servo motor repair facilities in the country. We repair equipment in industries such as food, plastics, paper, marine, wind. We're currently in our servo and proportional valve repair department where we've built and designed a custom test stand that allows us to fully test all your servo and proportional valves. We offer an industry-leading 24-month in-service warranty and have repair facilities across the country ready to help you. We're currently in our corporate warehouse where we barcode all repairs and track them throughout the repair process. This is our corporate parts department. These folks have the difficult job of locating and ordering parts for all of our repair facilities. I'd like to welcome you to our corporate electronics lab, one of the very most important departments in our company. Our technicians here troubleshoot and repair electronics down to the component level. The ladies in our customer service department stay extremely busy, helping you with all your status requests, live chats, and approval entries. Thank you for visiting. We look forward to working with you.